So if we could positively impact the consistency of your people, what would that result look like? Well, to best explain that, I've got to explain what a fractal is. And don't feel bad, I had to look it up too. And in fact, looking it up doesn't really help that much. The dictionary definition of a fractal is any entity that no matter how many times you divide and subdivide it, the ratio of its constituent parts remains the same. That doesn't really help. A fractal is a pie. Think about it this way. No matter how thickly or thinly you slice a pie, the ratio of ingredients in each piece remains the same. A pie is a fractal. The Pareto principle is a fractal. So let's take a look at a classic Pareto principle company. And to make the math easy, let's say they have 100 employees. So of the 100 employees, we know that 20% of them are going to be the high achievers. So let's take those, let's just set those to the side for the moment. Focus on the remaining 80. This is where the fractal comes in, because this group also breaks into the 80-20 principle. 20% of these people will outperform the others 4-1. And these are the people we are desperately interested in. They are so close to making the jump to high achievement. They have the ability and talent and experience. They have everything but the consistency. If we can help them overcome the consistency issue, they can make the jump and join the other high-performing 20%. And what would that mean to your bottom line? Whatever metric it is that you use to measure performance, you would see an increase of 64%. I was rounding up. Fine, 63.75%. By the way, that assumes we didn't have a positive influence on any of the other people. But hey, it still sounds wildly optimistic, doesn't it? Let's scale it back. Let's say I'm off by a factor of, I don't know, 90%. Let's say all you see is a jump of 6.375% from one guy coming in one time, sharing one idea. While you compute the ROI on that, let me ask you 3 questions. Number 1, given our lack of results in the past, isn't it time we try a new approach? And number 2, if this could work for your people the way it's been proven to work for me and Jerry Seinfeld, what kind of a difference could this make? And number 3, wouldn't it be worth our time to have a conversation where I can answer your questions and fill in the details, and we could explore what kind of an impact this could have for your company? And more importantly, what kind of an impact it could have for your people. That is a conversation I'm looking forward to.